In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a compelling text effect in CapCut by stacking letters vertically. We'll go through each step carefully, so even if you're a beginner or someone looking to refine your editing skills, you'll find this tutorial easy to follow. First things first, you'll want to begin by adding your text to the timeline. If you're new to CapCut, the timeline is where all your editing magic happens. It's essentially the workspace where you will place and adjust various elements of your video project. Simply find the text option in the toolbar, click on it, and then select Add Text. This will create a text box that you can drag and drop onto your timeline. You can type out whatever message you want to use, but remember, this isn't the final look. We'll refine it as we go along. Once you've got your text set up in the timeline, the next step is to type each letter on a new line. This is really the heart of achieving that vertical text effect. So after typing each letter of your text, hit Enter to move to a new line before typing the next letter. This might seem tedious at first, but trust me, it's a simple technique that dramatically changes how your text appears. It gives your project a professional and sleek look, perfect for drawing attention to particular words or phrases. Now that you've laid out your text vertically, let's move on to adjusting the font size and spacing. You can do this by selecting your text box and looking for the font settings, usually located at the top or side of your screen. Here you can tweak the size of the font to ensure it fits snugly within your desired frame. Also, check the line spacing options. Given our vertical arrangement, adjusting the spacing will help to either condense the text for a bold effect or spread it out for a more airy, spacious feel. Don't hesitate to play around until you find a style that suits your project's needs. Finally, you'll want to use vertical positioning to center the stack. This is the finishing touch that will make sure your text looks neatly stacked and visually appealing. In CapCut, you can click and drag your text box to move it or use alignment tools for precision. This step is crucial for balance and ensuring that your text grabs the viewer's attention right where you want it. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've created a mesmerizing vertical text effect that will certainly elevate your video content. Feel free to experiment with different fonts, sizes, and colors to further personalize your text. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more CapCut tips and other creative video editing techniques.